Hey, one more video before I close today. Hey, hi guys, New York City Reloader here. How you guys doing? I got one more purchase, gift actually I got for my birthday that I've been wanting for a while. I've had my eye on it. I've been looking for the prices to go down, and looks like they did. And since it was on my Amazon wish list, my lovely, beautiful, and talented wife, who shoots amazing groups, almost better than mine or as good as mine, went ahead and gave me this new tool from Wheeler. So I really was going to go out and buy just the fat wrench here as pictured here, but now I've got the complete scope mount kit with levelers and all the tools to be able to level my scopes. Takes me a little while to do that now, to level my scopes and such with the method that I've been using, but this is going to really make short work of it, and I'm pretty excited about getting the chance to go ahead and use it, and probably take less time than I normally do right now. So if you haven't gotten an opportunity, if you don't already have a fat wrench from Wheeler, that allows you to set the torque on your scope. So again, you know, if you're putting a scope on there, you've got the leveling tools, you've got all the other tools to be able to help you level a scope on there. And the great thing at the end of the day is you can put the exact amount of torque that that scope requires in order for it to sit on top. You know, in the past, I would sit there and say, okay, that's about how much force I need. That's about. And now I can actually go ahead and put exactly the amount that it's supposed to have. So it's a really good tool, another good addition to my reloading bench. Well, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Smack that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 400 users and 400 subscribers and to 500 subscribers. And I've got a couple of cool gifts to give those people when I hit those watermarks. So subscribe if you're one of those freeloaders or just come watch the videos. I'm glad you watch them, but do me a favor and hit subscribe. That way we can go ahead and have more incentive to make better and newer videos on all sorts of topics. And if there's some topic that you'd like me to cover that I haven't covered, please go ahead and do so in the comments. All right? Other than that, you guys have a great day. Make sure to stop by thereloadersnetwork.com. Some of the best content creators on YouTube or any other streaming service out there are available there for shooting and Second Amendment and reloading and just about everything else. So you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.